Surprise eggs! Ready? Go! Let's open it. Let's open it. What?
W. W.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, surprise! It's a 4. It's another big purple eggs.
Okay.
Yes, I'm gonna open it. Surprise! It's an 8. It's another pink egg. Surprise! Surprise!
Surprise!
It's a 3.
It's a 3.
And it's also orange egg open.
That's an orange egg. Surprise!
Strawberry.
It's a strawberry.
Open the good purple egg.
It's a pink egg.
Surprise! Colors.
What color are they?
You'll go open up pink egg. Surprise!
Surprise! What is that?
E.
E.
Open the green egg. Let's open it.
Let's open it.
It's a pink. And the big.
It's right here. What's that?
Orange.
Orange.
You open the pink egg.
Okay.
Surprise! It's an A.
It's an A.
These. You open the purple eggs.
Okay.
Let's open the purple egg.
Let's open a purple egg.
Let's open. Surprise! Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Don't open the purple egg.
Pink egg. Pink.
It's a pink egg.
Surprise.
It's a Z.
It's a Z.
And don't open the green egg.
Okay, let's open this green egg.
Surprise!
Surprise.
Chocolate.
It's a chocolate. It's a Hershey chocolate.
It's a chocolate.
Uh-huh.
Let's open the green egg.
Okay, let's open the green egg. Shake, shake. Oh,
Chocolate.
it's another chocolate.
Let's open the pink egg.
Okay. What color is that?
Purple.
No.
Green.
No. What color is that?
Pink.
No. Orange.
Orange egg. Open the
Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's a pink egg.
Oh, sorry.
What is that?
Card.
It's a card.
Open the pink egg. Màu xanh.
Mm-hmm.
This is a mix.
What is that?
Flowers.
Flower. Butterfly.
Butterfly. It's a pea.
It's a P.
It's open up the orange.
Pink.
Pink.
Pink egg.
No pink are open.
Okay.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Pink.
Mm-hmm.
It's a pink.
Pink.
Let's open the pink.
Pink. Yeah.
Let's open the pink egg.
Yes.
Surprise.
Surprise. It's an M&M. What color is the M&Ms?
Blue M&Ms.
Blue M&M.
So open the pink.
Pink, yes.
Then we open the pink egg.
Let's open the pink egg then. Yes, go.
Surprise.
Surprise.
It's a bee.
It's a bee. What color is the bee?
Blue bee.
Blue bee.
So open the orange egg.
Oh, orange egg. Okay.
So
That's a
open
ye-
the
Is that orange or yellow?
yellow egg.
Okay.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
So open the pink.
Pink egg. Yes. Let's open the pink egg.
That's a good.
Surprise.
It's blue.
Mhm.
Blue.
It's a blue.
It's a
Ooh,
orange
Hershey
egg.
Kiss. Let's open an orange egg. Ooh, what is that?
Cover.
What is that?
Close.
It's a car.
And more time close.
One more time. We're all done?
More.
All done?
More.
More? All right.